students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about exercise 4C in rational numbers. So the first question here is, find the additive inverse of. So what is the meaning of additive inverse? Additive means addition, inverse. So this is a concept. What is the thing we are going to tell here is, if I am going to take a number x, what if I add with that number? I should get the answer as 0. That is the concept of additive inverse. They will be giving you a particular number. What number if I add with that, I will be getting the answer as 0. It can be a positive value or negative value. So the concept here is x plus minus x. So plus into minus, minus x, you will be automatically getting the answer as 0. Additive inverse is nothing but you have to get the answer as 0. What if you add, you will get the answer as 0. So that is the concept of the sum, students. And the first question they are asking you, what is the additive inverse of 3? The value they are given here is 3. What if I add with 3? That is, I will get the answer as 0. So 3, add means don't think only positive numbers. It can be even a negative number. 3 plus, if I add minus 3. 3 plus of minus 3, if you simplify 3 minus 3 plus into minus minus, you will get the answer as 0. So what is the meaning? The additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. That is the concept of the sum, students. Same way, for minus 7, the additive inverse is going to be plus 7. Only if you add these two numbers, you will get the answer as 0. Similarly, for 1 by 2, what if I add, I will get the answer as 0 is minus 1 by 2. So this is a way of doing the sum in additive inverse. And suppose if you are going to have a negative sign at the bottom, means first you are going to calculate the sign. Plus into minus minus, you will be writing the sign in the middle part, students. After writing in the middle part, you are going to add, that is minus 7 by 8. Only if I add plus 7 by 8, I will get the answer as 0. So that is a concept. Suppose if you are going to have like this, minus 12 divided by minus 13 means, first you are going to simplify the sign. Minus minus will get cancelled. So after cancelling, you will be getting the value as 12 by 13 plus of minus 12 by 13, you will get the answer as 0. Another thing, they are given you the value as 0. With 0, what if I add, I will get the answer as 0. That is a concept. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So for 0, if you are going to give positive or negative sign, it is going to be, it has no value. So plus 0 minus 0, both the concept are same. So I am 0 plus 0 is 0. The additive inverse of 0 is again 0. For 1, the additive inverse is going to be minus 1. So this is the concept of the first sum given in exercise 4C. Coming to the next question, that is subtract minus 2 from minus 5 by 8. So they are asking you to subtract the value, that is minus 2 from minus 5 by 8. So whenever they are going to give you from means second value minus first value. Already you are having negative sign. Even if you have negative sign, no problem. So just be careful. Whenever they are asking you to subtract, and if they are going to give you the word from, means you have to be careful. Second value minus first value. The second value is minus 5 by 8. Since they are asking you to subtract, I am putting a minus sign here, students. And the first number I am writing in this place. So first you are going to simplify the sign. Minus into minus plus. Minus 5 by 8 plus 2. Cross multiply. 8 2s are 16, minus 5 plus 16 by 8, you are going to get the answer as 11 by 8. Same way, you are going to do the second sum. Minus 5, minus 3 by 4. This means subtraction, and I am writing this value in this place, students. And you are going to simplify and find the answer. Suppose, if they are going to give you the value in the form of mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, if they are going to give you the value means, that is 2 1 by 4. If they are going to give you in the form of mixed fraction, you are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction and then you are going to do the calculation. That is second value minus first value is nothing but minus 5 by 7. Already you are having a minus sign outside. Minus 5 by 7, minus into minus plus, make the denominator same by taking LCM. After taking LCM, this is a way of taking LCM, students. The LCM is going to be 28. Make the denominator same. After making the denominator same, simplify the value. You are going to get the answer as 83 by 28. All these rational number concepts are based on denominator. That is, you have to check the denominator, make the denominator same and simplify according to the calculation, whatever needed in your sum. Coming to the next question, same model, but you are going to check the sign and do the sum. Third one, minus 1 by 12 minus of minus 7 by minus 6. Please don't get confused here, students. Be very clear. The easy method here is, first you are going to strike out the sign. Minus 7 by minus 6. Minus minus get cancel means only 7 by 6. Already you are having a minus sign here. Then after bringing it in a proper form, after simplifying the sign, check the denominator, make the denominator same. Here, while I am making the denominator same, it is going to be 12. You can check with the LCM and you can do the calculation in the rough work. After simplifying, finally you are going to get the answer as minus 5 by 4. And this is a way of doing the sum. The thing here is, first you are going to check the sign, make it as a single sign. That is, minus minus get cancel means automatically I am going to have plus 2 by 5 minus 7 by 10. Check the denominator, make the denominator same. After making the denominator same, simplify the numerator part, you are going to get the value as minus 3 by 10. And this is a way of doing the third sum. Next, coming to the fourth question. The fourth question here is, they are going to give you in the statement form here, students. That is 4, 3. Just see the third question here, students. That is, what is the thing they are given here is, the sum of two rational number is minus 5 by 12. So, what is the thing given here? The sum of two rational number is minus 5 by 12. If one of them is 2 by 3, find the other. And this is a way we are going to calculate all the sums based on the fourth part. Just I am going to do 4, 3. Fourth part I am going to do the third sum and show you, students. The sum of two rational number is minus 5 by 12. First you have to understand what is the meaning of sum. Sum means addition. You are going to add two rational numbers. While you are adding two rational numbers, you are going to get the answer as minus 5 by 12. That is the concept they are telling here. So while you are adding, you are going to get the answer as minus 5 by 12. If one of them is 2 by 3, one of the question is 2 by 3 means they are asking you to find the other. That is the concept of the sum here, students. And now we are going to do the third sum. That is fourth part, we are going to do the third sum. So I don't know what is the other number. I am going to take the other number as x. 2 by 3 plus x is equal to minus 5 by 12. So that is the concept. What if I add with 2 by 3? I will get the answer as minus 5 by 12. Plus 2 by 3, from left to right if I move, I am going to get the answer as minus 2 by 3. After getting the answer as minus 2 by 3, check the denominator. If the denominator is not same, take LCM. After taking LCM, make the denominator same here, students. After simplifying, you are going to get the answer as x is equal to minus 13 by 12. Even though we are adding the numbers, sometimes your number can be a negative value. It can be positive or negative, but you have to be careful while you are doing the calculation. If they are asking you to add the sum means you are going to add, or if you are going to subtract means you are going to subtract. So that is a way of doing the calculation. And if you come for the fifth part, so what is the question given here is, what should be subtracted from? So be careful wherever you are going to get the word as from, you are going to check it properly and then do the calculation. What should be subtracted from 1 by 12 to get 7 by 8? So let the number be x. Since they are given you as from, you are going to subtract the value, and I don't know what is the value I am going to subtract here. So 1 by 12, you must write it first, students. That is, from means second value should be first. 1 by 12, minus x, since it is in the form of subtraction, minus x is equal to 7 by 8. Since x should be a positive value, what I am doing here is I am just shifting from left to right, plus x. After shifting, I am going to change left hand side and right hand side simultaneously. At the same time, I am going to change. That is 7 by 8 plus x is equal to 1 by 12. After converting, plus 7 by 8, left to right, if you change minus 7 by 8, then you are going to come for the calculation. Check the denominator part. If the denominator part is not same, make the denominator same here, students. That is, in this place, your denominator value is going to be 24. Simplify. Final answer is going to be minus 19 by 24. And this is a way of doing the fifth sum. And if you see same model, we are going to try another one sum. So if you see this one, in this fifth part, what should be subtracted from 1 by 10 to get minus 5? Even if you have positive or negative sign, that is not going to be the problem. You have to understand the question properly and then you are going to do the sum. What should be subtracted from 1 by 10 to get minus 5? So let the number be x. I don't know what is the number I am going to subtract. I am going to take the number as x. From means second value. 1 by 10 minus x is equal to minus 5. So minus x from left to right plus x. Change left hand side and right hand side simultaneously. After changing, you are going to get the value as minus 5 plus x is equal to 1 by 10. Bring this minus 5 from left to right, plus 5. Cross multiply. Final answer is going to be minus 51 by 10. And that is the value you are going to subtract with that one to find the answer as minus 5. So please understand the concept clearly and then you are going to do the sum, students. And the last question, last model of the question they are given here is, what is the question they are given here is, sixth part. I am going to do the fourth one. What should be added to 13 by 14? What number I should add with 13 by 14 to get minus 5 by 21? So that is the thing they are asking you. What I should add with 13 by 14 to get the value minus 5 by 21. Same way, let the number be x. You may have a doubt why I am taking only x. You can take any alphabet, but best it is to take x. Till you get practiced, you are going to take x, or sometimes you can take y, z or anything, but till you get practiced, you are going to take only one variable here, students. 13 by 14 plus x, since they are given you as addition, 13 by 14 plus x is equal to minus 5 by 21. X, since x is positive, we are not going to have any problem. Bring the term to this side, calculate, check the denominator and simplify. You are going to get the answer as minus 7 by 6. The same way, last sum in this part, what should be added to 7 by 8? What number if I add with 7 by 8? I will get the answer as minus 2. That is the thing they are telling you. So let the number be x. 7 by 8 plus x is equal to minus 2. Just shift the value. Minus 2 minus 7 by 8. Cross multiply the term here, students. While you are cross multiplying the term, you are going to get the value as 8 2s are 16. Simplify and the final answer is going to be minus 23 by 8. So the last three sums are based on statement and you have to understand the statement properly and then do the sum. The main thing here is, in rational number, you are going to first check the sign, simplify the sign, and then you are going to check the denominator part here, students. After checking the denominator, make the denominator same. The way of making the denominator same is by taking LCM. Simplify the term, and while you are simplifying, you have to be very careful whether you are going to do addition or subtraction. All these things you have to be very clear, and this can be done only by practicing, by working out the sums properly. So in this class, we have completed the sums based on rational numbers, students. Please understand the concept carefully and then write neatly in your classwork note. Thank you.